guys, Lauren with the Tiny House Building Company here. I am standing in a custom 28-foot tiny home. This tiny home is called the Mink tiny home. This is a really cool build. It's actually a river house. It's gonna go on a river in Virginia, so I wanna give you guys a little bit of a tour of some of my favorite features in here, which is pretty much the whole thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you now. So this is the view from walking in the front door, which is right here. Right next to the front door, we've got this big sliding glass door. Got a big sliding window. There's a lot of windows in this house. So, to the right of the door, we've got this really cool built-in bar. So this comes down and you can store whatever bottles, cups, glasses in there you want to. Large refrigerator here. This is a really nice refrigerator. Got room for wine up there. Plenty of storage. It actually made some ice overnight, so that's really nice. We've got storage down there underneath that matches the cabinets in here that were painted a custom color. The pulls on here were provided by the clients. So, water heater. This is just natural butcher block. All it has on it is one coat of a polyurethane. Nice backsplash, I love that. Propane stove, microwave with a custom shelf on top. Over here we've got built-in steps with storage pulls. We've got a little hanging anchor there. Let's go up to the loft. So the only thing we have left to do in here is putting the skylights in. The big things up here are the mattresses that the client sent to us, but this is a huge oversized king loft. All right, let's go down here. We've got a barn door. Has a lock on it too, so that's nice. This is a toilet that the client preferred we use. It actually matches all of the toilets in their main house. Panel box. Pretty good sized vanity for a tiny house. This is, I think, my favorite part. We wanted to figure out how to fit a normal sized closet. By the way, this bathroom is probably one of the biggest ones we've built. And this closet has its own light, which is really nice. And then we've got the laundry area with cabinets above. We're gonna have the same anchor poles here. They just have to send them to us. Storage under there. This is gonna be a nice area to hang some stuff, put your laundry basket. And then we've got a storage size loft on that side. And then we've got the accordion style. This one opens completely. This is an 8-foot window. You have 8 feet of complete openness on the side of your house. This one is 4 feet. I love that.